mathematical problem related to buffer solution. Let's look at the problem. 10 milliliter 0.1 molar acetic acid is mixed with 4 milliliter 0.1 molar sodium hydroxide solution. What is the pH of the mixed solution? Here, pKa of acetic acid is 4.76. That is, 10 milliliter 0.1 molar acetic acid solution is mixed with 4 milliliter 0.1 molar sodium hydroxide solution. Then what will be the pH of the mixed solution? Here pK value of acetic acid is 4.76. Let's see the matter. In this mathematical problem, solution of acetic acid is mixed with the solution of sodium hydroxide. So let's write the reaction. Acetic acid which is mixed with the solution of sodium hydroxide. After mixing, the products are sodium acetate and water. The reaction must be balanced, and here we see that the reaction is already balanced. From this reaction, we can say that 1 mole acetic acid neutralizes 1 mole sodium hydroxide solution to produce 1 mole sodium acetate. In this mathematical problem, acetic acid is 10 milliliter and sodium hydroxide is 4 milliliter. Strength of acetic acid is 0.1 molar and strength of sodium hydroxide is 0.1 molar. As strength of acetic acid and sodium hydroxide are equal to each other, then 4 milliliter sodium hydroxide will neutralize 4 milliliter of acetic acid. That is, before mixing the components, acetic acid 10 milliliter, sodium hydroxide 4 milliliter. But after mixing, 4 milliliter sodium hydroxide will neutralize 4 milliliter acetic acid. So after mixing, the remaining acetic acid is 10 minus 4. That is 6 milliliter. After mixing, amount of acetic acid is 6 milliliter, and after mixing, amount of sodium hydroxide is 0 milliliter, because 4 milliliter sodium hydroxide is neutralized by 4 milliliter acetic acid. So after the chemical reaction, amount of sodium hydroxide is 0 milliliter, and after the chemical reaction, amount of sodium acetate is 4 milliliter. 4 milliliter sodium hydroxide neutralizes 4 milliliter acetic acid, and 4 milliliter sodium acetate salt will be formed, and the remaining is water, that is 4 milliliter. Simply, 4 milliliter sodium hydroxide solution neutralizes 4 milliliter acetic acid, and after the reaction, 4 milliliter sodium acetate will be formed and 4 milliliter water. Now we got a mixture of acetic acid and sodium acetate. Suppose this is the mixture in which acetic acid 6 milliliter and sodium acetate 4 milliliter. Now this is a mixture of weak acid and its salt. That is, now it's a kind of acidic buffer solution. This is a kind of acidic buffer solution of which we have to calculate pH of the buffer solution. We know Henderson-Hasselbalch equation for acidic buffer solution to calculate pH. Now let's write Henderson-Hasselbalch equation for calculating pH of buffer solution. Henderson-Hasselbalch equation for acidic buffer solution to calculate pH. Let's write the equation. pH is equal to pKa plus log concentration of salt divided by concentration of acid. Here, what is the concentration of salt? Let's try to calculate. Concentration of salt is equal to amount of salt 4 milliliter. Its concentration is 0.1 molar divided by 1000. Now this is equal to 0.0004 molar. This is concentration of salt, sodium acetate. The salt which is produced in the reaction from 0.1 molar acetic acid and 0.1 molar sodium hydroxide, the concentration of the salt will be 0.1 molar. That is why this is 0.1 molar. Now concentration of acetic acid is acetic acid in the system 6 milliliter into concentration of acetic acid is 0.1 molar divided by 1000. Now we got the concentration, that is mole per liter. This is equal to 0.0006. This is obtained with scientific calculator. That is, this is concentration of salt and this is concentration of acid. Now putting these values in the above equation, we can write pH is equal to pKa for acetic acid is 4.76 plus log concentration of salt that is obtained 0.0004. Concentration of acid is 0.0006 is equal to 4.76 plus this is equal to minus 0.176. It is obtained using scientific calculator. This is equal to 4.584. This is the pH of acidic buffer solution. Solution of acetic acid and sodium acetate. Thank you very much.